G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we explore one of Outback Queensland's most incredible places. If you're new to the channel and enjoy our content, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It may not mean much to you, but it goes a long way to helping us reach our goals of travelling the world to find and film the most incredible wildlife to share with you. After spending almost 2 weeks on blacksoil habitat, having this little campsite with large gum trees for shade felt like an oasis in the desert. The creek frontage allowed for easy viewing of the many birds that frequent in the area, including these budgerigars, a popular pet among Australian households. Once we set up base camp, it was time to unpack the bikes and start exploring some of the incredible scenery around us. incredible cave systems and made our way back to camp, only to find that it had been taken over by one of the local gangs.
Hey guys. We just got all the gear on. The sun has started to set. We're gonna head back to where we went this morning with all the waterfalls and the cave systems. We reckon it looks pretty good for wildlife. I saw a big piece of skin, snake skin there, so hopefully we can find who left that. But we're set, ready to go, and wish us luck.
The rocky gorges and waterholes provide the perfect home for many species in the outback, and it's not until after dark when temperatures cool off that you get to see many of them. We saw many different reptiles and amphibians while walking, but by far the highlight of our night was this huge olive python. We didn't have anything on us to accurately measure this snake, but Josh and I estimate it to be at least 3.5 meters. As you can see in the footage, the olive python had dry texture to its skin and opaque eyes, meaning it was close to shedding its skin. We watched it investigating the waterhole and even pressing its nose against its body to see if the skin was ready to start coming loose. It must have been unsatisfied with this, as it went back into the larger pool, completely submerging its body in the water to soak its body and help loosen the skin. When it had finished investigating if this was a suitable place to spend the night, it lay with only its head just out of the water. A snake of this size would have no natural predators, so it's likely it was waiting in ambush in case the opportunity for a meal happened to wander by. Thrilled with witnessing this snake behaving so naturally around us, we made our way back to camp, but the night wasn't over yet. Josh managed to spot this beautiful juvenile black-headed python on one of the tracks on the way back. And even back at camp, a larger, sub-adult black-headed python was seen searching the area for food. Even making itself some way down this burrow.